So let's get started. Hey guys, Anshu and Harsh here. So today we are moving the new studio. So let's take you to our studio tour and how we are going to set it up. So let's go. Now we are going to open this. So this is our new studio and it's pretty messed up right now. And what we are going to do is convert this into our studio. So let's get started. Okay, so now the single coat is done. Now we are going to do two coats. So let's move some of our stuff here and let's see what we can do. So this was our old studio. As you can see that we have changed our table. This is our new table and the old table was moved to the new studio. And this is where we shot some of our TWS videos. And beneath this mirror are all the stuff that we kept for the years. So all our art projects are down here, our electrical components are here, and our boxes of products are over here, and at top we can use that for anything and for storage. And then here are some more projects that we are just lying around, and up here is the giant plane that we built, and there is the map of GTA 5. And in this almirah we have also some other stuff that we use in our videos. And underneath here we have our drones and CNC machines, and all our build projects are here in safekeeping.
Alright, so you can see that we are bringing the products over here. Now we'll go out and get some lights and put this some RGB over here. So let's get into this.
Now I have fitted all the lights, so let me talk to it. So this is our only power plug here. So it goes from this wire to that extension board, and from that extension board all these lights that you see here, this light, that light, and this light, and this DIY light will be turned on, and this wire from another extension board goes to here, right near this laptop box. So as you can see right there, it is our RGB control hub. So this is the control hub, and this is just a normal RGB strip connected in a pipe series. So this is light at the back, and products are placed here in such a way that the light does not directly fall onto the camera lens. It only reflects from the tile surface and then bounce back. And you might be wondering that this light setup is pretty low, so let me remind you that we will be using this 50 mm lens with f1.8 aperture, so we will get plenty of light for this setup. And we installed some wood panels to reduce the echo, but it's not working very well, so I have to think of something else to try to reduce the echo, because now you can hear my voice echo, which is pretty bad. So let's come up with a plan to stop this echo, otherwise we will not be able to shoot videos here.